Whether doing the dish work, preparing dinner, or packing lunches, most people spend a sizable amount of time in their kitchen. Not only is this extremely exhausting, but it can also cause strain to your lower body, an issue that is even more harmful to people that already suffer from serious feet, knee, or back pain. Fortunately, there are a couple of kitchen mats that can assist in alleviating your aches and strains.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best kitchen mats. So let's get started. Number 5. KMAT Kitchen Mat. KMAT's main attraction is that it's a dual set at a price of one. The kitchen mats have different sizes, with the long mat intended to be used as a runner in front of the kitchen counter and the smaller one in front of the sink. The kitchen mats are composed of PVC material with a thick cushion foam inside, and the bottom layer has an anti-slip property to hold the mat in its place even on the smooth tile floors. The top surface has an embossed geometrical pattern that gives the mat a nice texture and look. The color options are limited, only brown and gray colors are available. But these rustic colors can go with all kitchen interiors and even have the added advantage of camouflaging the spots of dirt or stains. Number 4. WISELIFE Kitchen Mat. It's the budget option for your kitchen mat needs, and if you don't like a thick kitchen mat that feels bouncy under your feet, WISELIFE kitchen mats are for you. Unlike 0.75 inches thickness, this anti-fatigue mat only has 0.47 inches thickness that provides the cushiony effect yet remains firm under your feet. WISELIFE kitchen floor mats are composed of PVC material that is environmentally friendly. But you will feel a slight odor in them upon opening the package that dissipates soon. These good kitchen mats have a pretty geometrical texture and are available in 5 hues: black, gray, red, green, and chocolate brown. It has 3 size options and is appropriate to give enough coverage in front of kitchen counters and sinks. Number 3. ComfiLife Kitchen Mat. ComfiLife brings comfort and convenience. If standing on a tile floor while cutting veggies or cooking food for guests puts undue stress on your ankles, feet, and back. Like our top pick, Sky Solutions, ComfiLife is also made of memory foam that provides the cushiony effect, and the quick rebound helps mitigate pain. They also have 3/4 inches thickness, which is considered a good density and solidity where your feet don't feel the cold and hard tiles. The other 2 we reviewed have printed textured designs available too, but ComfiLife has a plain solid color surface. However, it does give you various color choices to match it according to your kitchen aesthetics. Number 2. Gorilla Grip Anti-Fatigue Cushion Comfort Mat. Area of most foot traffic like a kitchen, you need a mat with a rugged construction such as Gorilla Grip. The high-density 3/4 inch foam provides perfect balance and a plush surface that alleviates sore back pain and plantar fasciitis. These mats are great for people who like to walk barefoot, and the hard tile floor causes fatigue. Like the Sky Solutions mat, Gorilla Grip also offers a bunch of pretty colors and texture choices ranging from black, dusty rose, mint to red and sky blue. The mat's interior has a thick and industry-grade foam that doesn't sink even after continuous treading of the foot. The exterior is stain and water resistant, so you don't have to shrink away from placing it in front of the sink or the stovetop. Number 1. Sky Solutions Anti-Fatigue Mat. To give your aching feet a break, Sky Solutions present you with comfortable, thick yet firm anti-fatigue mats. The Sky mats have their patented memory foam inside, whereas the exterior has waterproof faux leather. Place it in the kitchen near the sink, and you won't be worried about the water splashes on the mat. Sky Solutions mats have a waterproof surface and the top surface cleans like a dream with only a quick stroke of wet mopping. The oil and grease spots can also be rinsed with ease. This anti-fatigue kitchen mat has the right amount of thickness, so your feet don't sink onto the kitchen mat, nor leave any foot imprint behind. The anti-fatigue mat is designed for comfort and preventing hazards in the kitchen. The beveled edges ensure that you don't accidentally trip during the hurried movements up and down in the kitchen, nor does the kitchen mat slip. That was our list of the top 5 best kitchen mats just for you.